you, Peter.
No berry pie means no present for Mum. Whoa! What happened in here?
Phew! This spoon just did not want to be found.
Thanks, Benjamin. But without berries...
We can't make a pie. Oh, it looks so yummy too. What's that? Whoa, it's magic!
No, it's some kind of invisible ink.
It's the lemon juice. It's making the words appear.
It's not just words. It looks like Dad's drawn a secret map.
A map? Yes, and it leads to a wild strawberry bush. One with the biggest and juiciest berries ever. Wow. Yay!
And there it is. Just like the picture. Oh, thanks, Dad.
Peter, there's just one thing the map didn't tell us. The bush with the biggest and juiciest berries ever is in Mr. Todd's private garden. We have to get out of here.
No way! Without the berries.
There's no wild strawberry pie.
And I am not going back without a gift for Mother's Day.
It's awfully dangerous, Peter. Mr. Todd might catch us.
Ah, but he won't. He'd never expect that the three of us would ever be this
careless, crazy.
I was going to say this close to his berry bush. Now, we're going to need something to carry all of these. Keep picking and stay out of sight. I'll be right back.
Should be leaving right now.
Leaving so soon? Oh, no, no, no. I really must insist you both stay for dinner.
Mixed berry pie? Really? Thanks, Mum.
Wow, thanks, Mum.
Yay, pie!
Let's see. Blackberries, strawberries. Oh, I don't have any gooseberries.
I'll go and get some.
Mother! He did it again!
Sorry about that.
It's not fair. We worked all morning cleaning that floor. But all Mother cares about are the berries. How hard could it have been for Peter to get some silly blackberries? Not hard at all. So how hard can it be to get some gooseberries? Easy peasy.
Gooseberries. I know I saw something in Dad's journal. Got it! A map to the very best gooseberry bush in the whole woods. Good old Dad. Where are you two going?
To get some gooseberry. We're just going for a walk. Aren't we, Mopsy? I thought we were going to show Mother we're just as good as Peter at berry picking. Shh!
You getting gooseberries?
And why not? Easy peasy.
Okay, then.
Wait! Why are you going that way?
Because that's where the sweetest, juiciest, most delicious gooseberries are.
Sweetest? Juiciest?
Most delicious.
Then we're coming with you.
With me?
Yes. Here, Peter. Hold this. Oh, and mine.
What's in these things?
You know our rule, Peter. Be prepared for anything.
Something tells me this is going to be a long day.
Look at that, Mopsy.
Let's see. We're here and the gooseberries are all the way over there. So, it'll be a long walk.
Mopsy, I think that's a primrose. It's so pretty. I'm going to draw a picture of it. Pencils. Aha!
Knitting? You're not going to need your knitting.
Remember our rule. Be prepared for anything.
Yes, for escaping danger, not knitting emergency scarves. Aren't you forgetting something? The gooseberries?
We know.
All right then. The map says we need to go through there. Wet rocky terrain. Mud everywhere. It could be messy. Maybe you two just want to go home.
A little mess doesn't bother us, does it, Mopsy? Didn't Father always say a good rabbit never gives up? Well, we're not giving up, no.
Come on then.
Now, if you've had quite enough fun, I'd rather like to have my lunch.
Where did I leave those potatoes?
Mr. Todd! Catch! Come on!
Oh, thanks.
Oi! Fox, get your paws off my potatoes!
Yes!
Oh no! Look at the wagon!
Are you okay?
Oh! I can fix it, but not before Mr. McGregor comes back. Oh, and I'm happy none of you were caught or eaten, by the way.
Oh, well, time to go. No way. A good rabbit never gives up. We can still pull off the Great Potato Plunder. We just need some extra squirrel power.
Leave it to me! Squirrel tribe, assemble! I said assemble! Squirrels! Yeah, that never works.
I've got this.
Ah! So, what did you have in mind? Squirrels, forward!
It's working! It's really working! Throw it to breathe, throw it to breathe.
Well, that went wrong faster than I expected.
Phew. Almost. Peter, don't! It's not worth it. Oh, Peter.
Oh, I'm being pursued by potatoes! Help!
Dinner's nearly ready.
We were so close. I really thought we were going to pull off the Great Potato Plunder.
Cheer up, Peter. I never got the chance to tell you, but your father only came back with one potato too.
He did?
Yes, and you know what he said? It doesn't matter. All that matters is the adventure.
It may not have been quite what we planned, but it was a lot of fun.
And besides, you'd be amazed how far one potato can go. Potato stew for everyone.
Smells good.